Welcome to Great Used Auto Sales in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT package with only 5,000 miles on the clock. Beautiful vehicle. Gonna go ahead and give it a quick walk around, and then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. Really beautiful shape. Really nice condition. All right, fantastic. Let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in beautiful condition. Looks super nice, very nice shape. Headlamps are in beautiful shape. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Grill's in beautiful shape. Look at that, very nice. Take a look at the other headlamp, also in beautiful shape. Lower lights in beautiful condition. Hood's in great shape, very nice. Does have a tiny little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Really nice shape overall. All right, let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield's in beautiful condition. Don't see any scratches or cracks on it. Very nice shape. Let's take a look at the other side. Also in beautiful condition, super clean. All right, front fender, driver's side, beautiful condition. Take a look at the front door on the driver's side, beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice shape. Take a look at the rear door on the driver's side, also in beautiful condition. Quarter panel here on the driver's side, also in beautiful shape, looks clean throughout. Rear hatch is in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Bumper's in beautiful shape. This one has parking sensors in the back here. Very nice. Does have a couple scratches here on this piece and here towards the center. Besides that, it's in nice condition. All right, we're taking a look here at the quarter panel here on the passenger side, beautiful shape. Rear door on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Front door on the passenger side, beautiful condition, looks clean throughout. Front fender on the passenger side, also in beautiful condition. Let's take a look at the roof real quick. Roof is in beautiful shape. Very nice, beautiful condition all the way through. Really nice condition. All right, stay tuned, guys. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the interior. Then we'll take it for a quick test drive. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really outstanding shape. Look at that. Look at all the controls, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. Driver's seat's in amazing shape. Super clean throughout. It is a manual seat, but it's in really great condition. Take a look at the dashboard. Steering wheel looks amazing. Very nice. Look at the accent here. It's got some stitching here with blue that matches the vents on the vehicle. Super nice. Nice touch. Okay, we're taking a look at the front passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Looks super clean. Armrest is in beautiful shape. Take a look. Very nice. A little bit of storage there on the door. Passenger seat in the front looks amazing. Beautiful condition. It's beautiful. Very nice. Clean throughout. Really in great shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here. Driver's side rear door panel. Amazing condition. Looks super clean. Very nice. Take a look at the rear seat. Rear seat's in beautiful condition. Super nice shape. Rugs are clean. Look at the back of the seats. Look amazing. USB plugs here. Let's take a quick look at the liner on this one. Liner's in beautiful condition. Looks really nice all the way through. Really beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Beautiful condition throughout. Looks very nice. Really great shape. Take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats are in beautiful condition. Looks really nice. Rugs are in great shape. Look at the back of the seats. Look amazing. Really nice condition all the way through. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX LT model. Take a look at the key fob, lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. I'm gonna set the key down right here. Take a look at that button right there. That's the button to start it. We're gonna go ahead and press the brake, press the button to start. Super nice, look at that. Beautiful display there. Very nice. All right, now this one has 3 different displays for the cluster. But let me show you a little bit what we have here. We have the mileage is 5,304 miles. Fuel gauge on the left-hand side, 235 miles till empty. On the right side, you have the temperature gauge. Above that, you have the following distance for the vehicle in front of you when you're driving. On the left side, you have those 2 little lines. It's like a lane assist there, and then the compass on the left-hand side. And then it has 3 different gauge selections here. So when you click on this here, you can select whatever gauge you like to use regularly. So I'm going to show you all 3 of them. It's really cool. So right now, we were on number 3. Now we're putting number 2. I'm going to press again, and we're going to put it on number 1. There you go. That is super nice. This one's nice because when you accelerate it, you can see the RPMs on it. Look at that. That is super cool. Okay, let's take a look at some of the other features. Turning signals are working perfect. Highlights also work perfect. This for the rear wipers. This one has cruise control on the steering wheel. It has a collision alert in the front. So right here, you can set up the gap for it with this button on top. Below buttons for the heated steering wheel, which is a nice feature. So we're going to leave it on the further away. Heated steering wheel right there, lighting up, perfect. On this side here, this is the controller we're using to change the settings up there. You got the hang up for your Bluetooth, your speaker commands. Super nice. And then on the other side here, you have your volume controls, and you change the stations on the other side. Okay, fantastic. Leather wrapped steering wheel, another plus. Look at this. Looks amazing. Super nice. Dashboard looks brand new. It does have a little bit of scratches there. You can see right there. It's the only damage on the dashboard, but it's very minor. All right, now we're taking a look at the radio. Let's go quick through it real quick. We're going to put it on home. So this one has a climate control right here. You can see where the settings at. See, you turn the dial down there. You can see it change on top there. It's super nice. Let's go back again. And then we also have the settings for the vehicle. System settings, vehicle, teen driver, rear seat reminder. Let's go to the collision detection so you can see the safety features. This one has automatic braking, front pedestrian braking, adaptive cruise, lane change alert, parking assist, rear backup camera with parking assist symbols, and rear cross traffic alert. So this one has a lot of safety features back there. Super nice. These are for the apps, for audio, phone, and OnStar. Click this again here. You go right there. Now we're sitting here looking at the information of the trip computer, the gauges, and the maintenance, and tire pressure sensor. Super nice. Right there, that's for the traction control, but we're going to have that on, of course. Safety features. Phone, your phone settings right there. There you go. We have no phone connected, so if you did, you would change it there. That's for the radio settings. Click there, that's the source settings. So AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, and Bluetooth. Go back again, put it back on home. Very nice. Down below here, we have our AC controls. So on the left-hand side, you can go ahead and turn the dial. Has your heated seats right here to go with your heated steering wheel. Nice feature. This is for the fan, for your vents, front and rear defrost. Super nice. Down below here, you have your USBs and a power plug there. A little bit of storage there, really nice. This for your lane assist there. That's your engine bypass. You have your automatic transmission, your brake release right here. Let's take a look at the dash again. Beautiful dashboard. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the liner real quick. Liner's in great shape, looks amazing. Beautiful condition. All right, take a look here. It's showing you the passenger side airbag is off. and the OnStar, very nice. Beautiful condition. All right, that's pretty much the interior on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive in a moment. We'll be right back. We're all set. Let's take it for a little test drive. Here we go. Super smooth, really quick. Look at that. We're going 33 already. And just turned the corner. Really nice. Super smooth. Beautiful display. Drives super nice. All right, we're gonna make a left here. Okay, fantastic. Really nice drive. There we go. It's super quick, feels really nice on the road. All right, next step, we're gonna go ahead and check out our backup camera here. So we'll find a little spot here, we'll put it in reverse and give it a little test. All right, so we're pulling forward here. Now we're gonna put in reverse. There we go. Beautiful camera back there. As you can see, when you turn the steering wheel, it shows you which way you're gonna roll back. Just super nice. Works fantastic. Okay, this one's a really nice vehicle because it does have parking sensors in the back and it shows you here what you're going to hit. So as you can see, there's a little cone back there. We're getting close to that cone, is letting us know, and it's beeping there. It's coming up on your cluster. Look at that. The closer you get, the more it beeps. It's a really nice feature. All right, well, that's about it. That concludes our test drive. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the engine compartment, the tires, and the cargo area in the back. We'll be right back. All right, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo space in the back looks clean and in great condition. Very nice. A little bit of storage there on that side. A light back here. Super nice. Let's take a look at the spare tires in beautiful shape. Look at that. Really amazing condition. Really great shape all the way through. Okay, we're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in beautiful shape. Take a look here. Really amazing condition. Looks super, super clean. Very nice. Take a look at the bottom of the hood. Very nice condition. Here's the emission sticker right there. Beautiful shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the driver's side looks brand new. Rim is clean and in outstanding condition. Does have some scratches here on the edge, you can see there. Besides that, it's in beautiful condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the driver's side looks brand new. Tire's in amazing shape, look at that. Very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Taking a close look here, really amazing condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side, amazing condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Let's take a close look at it here. It does have an imperfection right here on the rim. It's got a scratch right there, another scratch right there. Besides, that's in really nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire here. Front tire on the passenger side looks brand new. Really amazing condition. Let's take a close look at the rim. Rim's in beautiful shape. Does have a couple little marks here And here on the rim, besides that, it's in really nice condition. Okay, that's going to conclude our video for this 2025 Chevrolet TRAX with about 5,000 miles on an LT package. Beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. You guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. GreatUsedAutosales.com. Thanks for watching.